Leaders think of solutions, they don't get stuck with problems. I'm sure you'll agree with me on this, yes? This is a very powerful language of leadership. Leaders are solution oriented, they don't get stuck at problems. I heard a story from one of my mentor, Mr. Vineet Gira. Let me share that story with you because this is an apt example of solution orientedness. This story is about Suresh. Suresh is a guy, 35 years old. He was wearing a blue t-shirt that day, bald head, wearing his specs, driving an orange color Baleno car, heading towards his village. He was enjoying the music and heading towards his village. He was going alone. Suddenly, at a specific point near a bridge, the tire went off. The tire went flat. The puncture happened in the back tire, the left side back tire of the car. Obviously, you feel annoyed. Yes, you feel annoyed, frustrated. Already he was getting late to reach to his village, and again this puncture. You feel bad. Everyone feels bad. He also felt bad. He removed his seat belt. He started seeing which tire, and then he got to know that this tire has punctured. He had a jack. He had a spare tire. Luckily, he started changing the tire. In the process of changing tire, what happens? You have to remove the nuts. Yes. How many nuts? 4 nuts. So he started removing the nuts. In the process, kept the nuts aside and started replacing the new tire. In the process of replacing the new tire, his left leg touched the nut and the nuts, they fell in the water below the bridge. He had 4 nuts which are important to fix the new tire. Now all these nuts, they went under the bridge in the water. He cannot go and swim and find the nuts. He's irritated, frustrated, bothered, confused. He's pumping his fist. He's thinking, what the hell? Why it should happen only with me? He keeps bitching about the problem. He keeps thinking about the problem. He's so frustrated. He is in that zone for almost 30 to 40 minutes not knowing what to do. He inquired from few people. They said the next village is 5 kilometers away. But how can he take his car 5 kilometers away? And there was no mechanic nearby. He was in that frustration, and that's when a farmer was walking by. He sees this guy frustrated, irritated, annoyed. He asks him, what happened? He said, don't bother me. I'm already so much confused and bothered here. Please go away. He said, please tell me if I can help you, I'll help you. Parts of the tire, they fell in the water near the bridge, under the bridge. Now what can I do? I don't know what to do. Then farmer says, it's very simple. Why the hell you're breaking your head so much? He said, you still have 3 tires. And all the 3 tires have 4 nuts. He said, remove 1 nut from each of these 3 tires and fix those 3 nuts in this 4th tire. You will be in a position to drive till 5 kilometers and where you will get a mechanic, and that mechanic will be able to fix it for you. Now that was an aha moment for this guy, Suresh. Because he never thought that way, because he was worrying about the problem. When you worry about the problem, you just become blind, you become foggy. Yes, I'm sure it happens with all of us. A leader is a person who doesn't get stuck with problem. He feels the pain, he gets frustrated, but for short duration, short time. And then he rubs his back and he gets back on the track, thinking about solution, what can be done next. This is what exactly happened with most of us in this corona period. Yes, in the last 3 months, it was all of a sudden, lockdown was announced. None of us were prepared for it. No one thought it can extend for 3 months. Mentally, no one was prepared for this. But few of us, it took us some time, 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, thinking negative about the problem. We were in the problem, but then slowly we became solution oriented. In fact, I became solution oriented. I'm very happy. Instead of worrying about how to take trainings, I started taking trainings online. Instead of worrying about health, I started reducing my weight. I started thinking about how can I make this lockdown as a blessing for me, instead of making it a curse for me. I thought of solutions. And in fact, this video recording which I'm doing is a part of that solution, because I'm serving you. I'm giving you lots of tips on leadership skills. I hope it is making sense. Leaders, on the contrary, there are few people, I know these people, who increased their weight in this lockdown, who never learned a skill in this lockdown, who became negative in this lockdown, who are suffering in this lockdown. Now, because they are thinking only about the problem, they're just worrying about the fear. It's a choice. A great leader, some of you may not agree with me, but that's completely fine. But a great leader is a person who knows the problem, feels the problem, but still thinks of a solution. He doesn't get stuck at the problem. Yeah? If you want to be a leader, that's the language of leadership. If you want to be a leader, feel the pain, but don't get stuck at the pain. Don't get stuck at the problem. Just rub and get back on track and find the solution. That's how leaders do, and I want you to be a leader. Start becoming solution oriented. I hope it makes sense. Please apply this, and I'm sure when you start applying this, you will see results happening in your life. And then you can thank me in the comment section. Yeah? If you like the video, please subscribe. Any question, ask in the comment section below. Saurabh Charya here. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.